Good morning, people. Welcome to Nigun program. Today is day number 53, and thank you so much for watching my videos and following my sessions. So let's start our morning session for today, and it's about I'm going to give you some little tips and advice on the workout which we are doing nowadays. As you can see that I'm doing and concentrated more towards our upper body workout. So to improve our upper body muscles and strengthen them. What my suggestion and tips, first of all, that the session and workout which I show you every day can be done by both male and female, so it helps in to improve your posture and strengthen your body muscles. It also keeps your cardiovascular system healthy so that you guys do not feel lazy throughout the day. Just do a 20-30 minute of run every day like I do, and do it as fast or as quick as you can. You can see here that I have completed 1 kilometer in 3 minutes and 40 seconds. So I try to track these things, so you also guys do track all of these things, and it kind of motivates you. Just you need to download an application, that's all. Okay, so aside from this, if we talk today, I'm going to do shoulder workout. So shoulder workout, why it is beautiful? Because you can perform the workout or all the exercises which include today's session can be performed inside the gym or out in the park, so it will be very beneficiary for you. Aside from that, I use two same equal weighted stones so to perform the workout, and you guys can also do and follow the same, because as you can see that I do every day a workout outside, not in the gym. But if you do not want to pick stones and you want to buy, you have dumbbells, then I suggest you that only carry two weights, 6 or 10 kg. These both weights are more than sufficient to do or perform any kind of workout. 10 kg is the maximum weight you need it to perform, like if you really on to shredding something and you want cutting edge biceps or triceps, because now we are fatty and I hope we need a rapid instead of doing a heavy workout weight. So that is why I recommend in between 6 to 10 kg. So 6 kg dumbbells and 10 kg dumbbells will be enough for you to perform any bicep, tricep, shoulder, chest, back, any workout. So if you really needed to use dumbbells, you wanted to buy the dumbbells, you can. Otherwise you just need to pick two equal stones and do the workout like I do every day. Rest, if you need any kind of help, you can mention in the comment box. And also guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Share to your people, share with your friends, share with your relatives, and share with the people who really need or looking to lose a fat, and also who are like looking for to grow their muscles and wanted to sharpen their muscles. So these workout sessions are really extreme, so please ask them and share with them so that they can get the benefit out of it. Thank you so much guys, enjoy the shoulder session.
도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술, 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher. Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise. You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해. 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해. Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. I want more money, money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money.
Yo. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강. 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야. 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 뭐 나도 내겐 미워. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 미워. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. 뭐 나도 내겐 미워. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 미워. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. More money, yeah, 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 yeah. More money, yeah.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a
뭐 나도 내겐 미워. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 미워. Yeah. I want more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. 뭐 나도 내겐 미워. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 미워. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Enjoy the remix.